Proper thermostat and control board voltages are essential for diagnosing HVAC control issues and ensuring reliable system operation. Measure across the control board common and any of the thermostat feed terminals labeled R, G, W, and Y using a true root mean square multimeter set to the 20-volt alternating current range when possible. Expect readings around 27 to 28 volts alternating current under no load conditions, and any reading of 24 volts alternating current or higher is generally acceptable for most systems. If readings are low, place the meter across the transformer. Secondary leads directly to isolate transformer health. A healthy transformer secondary will show the same 27 to 28 volts alternating current, while a significantly lower value indicates transformer degradation or an overloaded circuit. Under operational load, such as when multiple relays or devices are energized, voltage may sag slightly. Verify that voltage stays above 24 volts alternating current during operation to avoid nuisance faults or improper relay actuation. When testing between individual control terminals, do not expect line voltage. These are low voltage control circuits derived from the transformer secondary and are isolated from high voltage mains. So treat them with appropriate low voltage precautions and avoid connecting live mains equipment. If the system uses a common reference terminal marked C, measure between R and C for the transformer secondary and between each control terminal and C to confirm consistent supply. Inconsistent readings between terminals suggest wiring faults, loose connections, or intermittent shorts. For systems with integrated electronic control boards, consult the equipment schematic printed on the inside of the control access panel to identify terminal mapping and any jumpers or sensors that alter expected voltages, and always remove power before manipulating wiring to prevent damage or personal injury. 3 frequent errors are relying on a non-true root mean square meter that reports distorted readings on switching power supplies, misidentifying the common terminal or measuring to chassis ground instead of the actual common, and drawing conclusions from unloaded measurements without verifying voltage under expected operational load. Use a true root mean square meter or verify meter accuracy on a known source. Trace and confirm the common terminal visually and with continuity checks, and test voltage, both at idle and while the system is calling for heat or cooling to see realistic values. A shorted or shared circuit can mimic low voltage conditions, so isolate zones or disconnect suspect loads one at a time to find the offender. Loose screw terminals frequently produce intermittent voltage drops. Tighten terminals to manufacturer torque recommendations and recheck voltages after cycling power. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for HVAC, electrical, and general remodeling projects, helping homeowners compare bids and verify credentials. Contractors can list services, receive project leads, and build a local reputation through verified reviews to find steady work.